get all the way in. See that?
Yeah.
She has a little blade.
Mm-hmm.
So now we'll try also the other one, see make sure they both fit, so we don't have to worry about that.
Yeah.
I think it's a little bit too loose, but it's all right. When we put when it's all inside there, it's all good. Okay, so now this is spoon. So what we do now? We need to take this. I should take this off. But yeah, I can do this. Okay, so now we'll do the frog. The normal frog.
Is that 1.5 inches?
Yeah. Now, because we have to finish this. What you see, we're just going all the way. This off the machine. The difference in the machine, you get that fish piece, you take a little bit out. So shine this.
How much did you take off each of the other times?
Just about the position of this, it's just about half curve, half revolution.
From here.
Actually, so we start from there and go over here. And then from here we go over there. But now, when we do the second one, we have to measure 8 points. For the first time, and then the second time, you be very conservative a little bit fast, because you can always take more. when you do the inside and the outside, you know, you have to start from the one point, because if you do two different things, you know, and you move the piece on the track, nothing is going to be through. You know what I mean? It's all going to go like this.
Yeah.
So you want to do the inside and the outside as much, you know, you can. So then, and now you go this, you know, because we have to do something else here now. Move this board in. Because it's going to be in the way, first of all. And then second of all, we have to put another tool there. Okay. Okay. So now you position this here.
Got a 45 today.
Yeah, we're going to try to do this. But when we do this, we don't want this to touch the one that we just machined.
Oh, you're doing that?
Yeah, we have to do that. So that's kind of a little tough, even on meat stuff.